grade. This is Miss Field in the computer lab. And today we're going to talk about a website that I enjoy and the kids here at school enjoy. And we hope that at home, when you're doing distance learning, this will be one of your options during computer lab related arts that you can get on. Now, many of you may already know about it, so today we're just going to talk about some of the features on the website and some of the things you could do to explore. So let's get started. First, we're going to log on to the internet. And this website is called Epic Books, and it is an ebook website that you can read books. There are hundreds and hundreds of books on here that you could read in your time, and many of the second grade teachers have already set up their classes on Epic Books, so we'll talk about that in just a minute. But in case you need a different way to get on it, or if a parent needs to know how to find it, you go to the student resource page on our Christiana website, and you can click the link that is here, and it'll take you to the Epic Book homepage. And this is where, if you have a class code from your teacher that can be provided to you, or if your teacher does not have a class code, then you could contact me, or I have it written down in case you want to jot it down. QXX1222 is my code for my class. And you're welcome to use that and be a guest. You would log in and be a guest on my page. So let's try that just to see what we get. So if you log in using my code, it's going to take you here, and then you would be a guest. Okay? And then you can either search in the search box for a topic or something you're studying in class. For instance, second grade is currently learning about cultures, different cultures around the world. So I type in the word cultures and do a keyword search. And then here are the list of topics about cultures, and I would select one. Now from here, you can scroll down and see books on different cultures, but there is a way also to filter it down. What I like to tell kids to do is to go to collections. Collections is like teachers that use this website have went to the library and pulled all the books about cultures, put them in a basket, and then you just pick from that bundle to read. So you go to collections, and you'll find collections of books about cultures that have been compiled by teachers from all around. And this is where technology does not always cooperate. Okay, so while we're waiting for that to load, let's talk about one other way you can get there. So if you're a distance learner, which that's the ones I'm talking to right now, if you're a distance learner, you can go to your Clever page. Miss Lehue, Miss McCormick in second grade both have, you log into your Clever page, and then you would pick their name. You would pick Miss Lehue's page or Miss McCormick's page and click that. And then there is going to be a link right there directly on your Clever page that takes you straight to Epic. And then, since your class is set up, you are no longer a guest. You have an avatar with your name there that you click. And when you click your avatar, then your books that you've been assigned to read or that you want to read under your name appear, and then you get credit, and you can often take quizzes. Sometimes you get credit for the books that you read from that class. So if you have a Clever account, that's probably the fastest way for my friends at home to get on their Epic Book page and read, do some free time reading, do some reading within your age range. You can pick an age, you can filter it down to pick an age. You can pick fiction or non-fiction books. And of course, it's still loading today. We picked a day where it's decided to be temperamental. But let's try again just to see. So here, we're back to the home page. You can click Explore, and you can scroll down and find books of all sorts. And remember, friends, read to me means that book will read it to you. They'll flip the pages, they'll read the book to you. You just listen and follow along. If it does not have that, then you would click the book and flip the pages and read it yourself by flipping the pages. If to get out of a book, you click the X at the top. There are videos somewhere at the bottom. There's also audiobooks. Remember, audiobooks are books that are being read to you, but there's no pictures or any pages to flip. So those are just for listening. So I would recommend in second grade either the Read to Me or have it search for all books. And some of them even have quizzes at the end you could take. If you know your AR level, you can narrow it down, or your teacher may have narrowed it down for you so that you're only reading books within your level. So if you happen to know your reading level, it would narrow those books down to books that you can read, okay? So, if you have a Clever account, just go to your teacher's page, click Edit, and have fun reading. Thank you.